The sharpest and most powerful weapon in the world is water. When it's forced through a pipe just 0.05 millimeters thin at a speed of 3,500 kilometers per hour, water creates an incredible pressure of 100,000 pounds per square inch. To put that into perspective, it's like having 9 elephants standing on your thumb. With such force, water can slice through anything in its path like butter, whether it's solid iron or multiple layers of bulletproof glass. This process is known as water jet cutting, and when mixed with sand, tiny glass particles, or garnet, the jet becomes even deadlier. At that point, water isn't just sharp, it's powerful enough to cut through the hardest material on Earth, diamond.